Welcome to The Simple Trader. Let's talk about stocks. You're going to want to stick around. In this video today, we are going to be talking about one of my favorite and most exciting stocks. All I ask for return is you hit that subscribe button. Now let's get right into it and talk about NIO stock. Let's start with some big news. NIO Day is confirmed for January 2021. This is going to be huge. So recently NIO have come out with some more information about their Navigate on pilot. Let's take a deeper look. This guy gets in the car. He presses one button, and he's off. Merge into traffic. Have you ever had issues with cutting in from ramps? Well, NOP now takes over the indicator speed and makes the lane change so you don't have to. Cruise on main roads. No, not that cruise. NOP controls the cruise speed and executes lane changes to overtake slow vehicles automatically. That's just sick. Look at this. That's some serious future technology going on there. Navigate interchanges. Ever miss one and you had to go miles to turn back? Well, never miss one again with NOP. You just gotta love NOMI blinking at you. Take exits. NOP automatically adjusts speed, engages the indicator and takes the exit, meaning you will never miss one again. As you can guess, NOP is fully integrated with the onboard AI NOMI. Never drive alone again. NOP is just phase 1 to autonomous driving with AI integration. If they can roll this out as planned without any major issues, then I fully expect the stock to. Now let's look at the price action since our last video. NIO is currently trading around $21 a share. Let's take a look at the daily chart of the last 3 months. The trend is clearly going upwards. This is a big wedge pattern, and generally when this happens the price is forced to break the consolidation, in this case within the next few days. Let's look at the last few months of price action. So in late June we had a consolidation zone where the price floated around the $7 mark. This was followed by a grotesque 140% rise within a span of 10 trading days. That kind of leap is always followed by a pullback. This pullback of 21% in my opinion actually strengthened the stock, as this showed profit takers were clearly outnumbered by long-term investors. Then between mid-July and August we see another period of consolidation. We don't necessarily want the stock to keep going up, and we definitely don't want to see it keep going down either, but in my experience for healthy growth we want to see these periods of consolidation. This period was followed by a swift 30% swing to the upside in 2 trading days. A 13-day consolidation period then followed where it roughly stayed around the $14 mark. Then a massive 41% surge to the upside was no surprise, as I'd actually predicted the stock would surge past the psychological level of $20. Again, with all these surges we expect a pullback. On this instance it was a measly 11%, which made me even more bullish on this stock. This was followed by a 17-day consolidation period where the price was floating between $17 and $19. Again, a surge of 20% within a few days saw the stock break through the $20 level, and it has stayed there ever since. Now we are in another consolidation level, and this is clearly shouting out for the next upside surge. Remember the wedge pattern. Trust me, this stock has only one direction to go, and that's up, which means it's easy money. Now some recent bullish news. PitchBook recently published its report on EVs, and yes, NIO is noted alongside Tesla, but the key takeaway is the projected $400 billion market for electric vehicles. This is huge. We have some sickening updates from NIO. 1 million hours and 70 million kilometers of journey on NIO Pilot. 1 million battery swaps completed. 1 billion kilometers traveled by all NIO cars on the road, an average of 3 million kilometers a day. And check this, the longest mileage by a single car was a ridiculous 160,000 kilometers, which is the same as going around the earth 4 times. As I'm editing and about to upload this video, fresh news comes in, and JP Morgan has upgraded NIO to overweight and raised their target price from $14, yes, $14 to a sickening $40. That's a 185% increase. On the back of that JP Morgan news, and at the time of recording this video, NIO is up an unbelievable, grotesque 22%. Now, although I expected a surge to the upside anytime soon, I really did not expect this unbelievable move in one day. Anyway, let's see what happens in the coming days. This is The Simple Trader. Please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next time.